Hi guys, lesson 42 today. Another group of commonly confused words, there, and there. You've probably been working on these words for a long time, but it's crucial that we understand the difference. So the words there, and there sound the same, but they also have different meanings and different spellings. There is a possessive pronoun, and it means belonging to them. Please take all of their suitcases upstairs. This is the possessive pronoun. It comes right before a noun, and it shows that it belongs to them. This form of there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, is a contraction, and it means they are. They're staying at our house until Tuesday. If you can substitute in the words they are, you need the contraction form. They are staying at our house until Tuesday. The final form, T-H-E-R-E, is an adverb, and it tells where or in that place. There may also be used as an introductory word. Please place your shoes in the rack there. Read the sentences and decide which there, and there you need. There are special types of cats that live in Key West, Florida. In this case, we're talking about in that place because I have there and then I have are here. So we would use there. They have 6 toes on their feet. We're talking possessive. So I would do T-H-E-I-R, possessive. They're very friendly. This is the contraction form. They are. And tourists enjoy petting them on their vacations. I would go back to the possessive form. It's the vacations that belong to them.